Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Algorithms. In this video we see the soft computing important MCQ question for RGPV online exam 2020. So let's go. Yeah. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel for getting new videos and click on bell icon. Let's go. The first question is the structural constitute of human brain is known as. The option are available is neuron, cells, chromosomes and genes. So correct answer is option 1 neurons. And second question is neural network also known as. So available option is artificial neural network, artificial neural system, both A and B, none of these. So correct answer is option number C, both A and B. The third question is neurons also known as. So option is available neurons, processing elements, nodes, all of above. So the correct answer is all of above, because neurons is also known as neurons, processing elements, nodes. So here is correct answer is all of above. The fourth question is in the neuron attached to the soma and long irregularly shaped filaments called. So the option are available is here dendrites, axon, synapses and cerebellum. The correct answer is dendrites. And fifth question is Schignum function is defined as. So option is available, four option is here is available. So correct answer is option 1, sigma 1 equal to plus 1 comma 1 greater than 0 and minus 1 and 1 less than equal to 0. And sixth question is to generate the final output the sum is passed on the non-linear filter sigma called. So option is available smash function, sum function, activation function and output function. So here correct answer is activation function. So let's go for next question. So next question is function is a continuous function that varies gradually between the asymptotic values 0 and 1 or minus 1 and plus 1. So here available option is activation function, thresholding function, signum function and sigmoidal function. So correct answer is sigmoidal function. Option number D is correct answer. Let's go next question. Produce negative output values, and here option is available hyperbolic tangent function, parabolic tangent function and last option is none of the above. So correct answer is option number 1, hyperbolic tangent function. Let's go for next question, question number 9. So blank carrying the weights connect every input neuron to the output neuron but not vice versa. So available option is feed forward network, fast forward network, fast network and forward network. So correct answer is 1, feed forward network. Let's go question number 10. Has not feedback loop. So available option is neural network, recurrent network, multilayer network and feed forward network. So correct answer is option number B, recurrent network. Recurrent network has not feedback loop. So correct answer is recurrent network. So let's go question number 11. So question number 11 is, in the learning method the target output is not presented to the network. So option is available supervised learning, option B is unsupervised learning, and option C is reinforced learning, and option D is Hebbian learning. So correct answer is option B, unsupervised learning. Let's go for question number 12. Question number 12 is, combining a number of at a line is. So available option is multi-line, multiple line, meta line, and many line. So correct answer is meta line. Correct answer is option number C, meta line. So let's go for question number 13. Neural network application is. So available option is pattern recognition, optimization problem, forecasting, and all of the above. So right answer is all of the above. Let's go for question number 14. So question number 14 is, blank is a systematic method for training multi-layer uh, artificial neural network. So available option is back propagation, forward propagation, speed propagation, multi-layer propagation. So correct answer is back propagation. The correct answer is option number 1, back propagation. So let's go for question number 15. The question number 15 is, blank is a computational model. So option is available is here, neurons, option number 1, option number B, cell, and option number C, perception, and option number D, nucleus. So correct answer is option number C, perception. So let's go see question number 16. So intermediary layer is present in. So option is available here, multi-layer feed forward perception model. Option number B is here, multi-layer perception model, and option number C is multi-layer feed forward model, and option number D, none of the above. So correct answer is option number 1, multi-layer feed forward perception model. Let's go for question number 17. So question number 17 is, linear activation operator equation is. So linear activation equation is option number 1. Here available option is 4 option is available. So correct answer is option number 1. Let's go question number 18. So blank is never assured of finding global minimum as in the simple layer delta rule case. So available option is back propagation, front propagation, none of. So correct answer is, so available option is, and correct answer is option number A, back propagation. So back propagation is correct answer is here. So let's go question number 19. The test of neural network is known as. So available option is interference engine, B, checking, and C, deriving, and D is none. So correct answer is option number A, interference engine. So correct answer is interference engine. Let's go for question number 20. So question number 20 is application of back propagation. So available option is design of general bearing, and option number B is classification of soil, and option number C is hot extrusion of soil, and option number D is all of the above. So right answer is option number D, all of the above. So here is right answer is option number D. So Let's go for question number 21. So question number 21 is reinforced learning, also known as. So option is available is here: output based learning, error based learning, back propagation learning, and option number D is none. So correct answer is here option number A, output based learning, because reinforced learning is called generate output. So this is also called as output based learning. So correct answer is option number A, output based learning. So let's go question number 22. So question number 22 is blanks learnings follow winner takes all strategy. So available option is stochastic learning, competitive learning, Hebbian learning, and back propagation learning. So correct answer is here option number B, competitive learning. So correct answer is option number B, competitive learning. So let's go question number 23. So question number 23 is Blank's earlier neural network architecture. So available option is here: Rosenfeld perception, Rosen perception, Rosen perception, and last option is none. So correct answer is here option number A, Rosenblatt perception. Let's go for question number 24. In Rosenblatt perception network has three units: sensory unit, association unit, and blank. So available option is here: output unit, response unit, and feedback unit, and last one is result unit. So correct answer is response unit, option number B. So here is correct answer option number B. And 20, let's go for question number 25. So 25 question is headline stand for. So here available option is adaptive layer neural network, neural element network, and B option is adaptive line neural network, and C option is adapt line neural element network, and last one is adaptive linear neural network. So here correct option is option number A, adaptive linear neural element network. So correct answer is option number A. So this is a unit 1 MCQs, important MCQs for unit 1 soft computing. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.